Let's talk about a very important task performed in computer science: search. In this video, I'm going to compare two types of search algorithm. We'll look at what it is conceptually, and then look at the code for those algorithms. Remember in the not too distant past when we still used a hard copy of a dictionary to look up a word. Imagine you wanted to look up the word rococo. Well, that's an actual word you may not already know. Anyway, I bet you wouldn't flip the dictionary page by page till you get to the words starting with R. You could, but if you did, that would be called a linear or sequential search, and that would be very inefficient. Instead, you would open the dictionary close to where you think you would find the word, towards the middle. Verify if you're close to the word, and then repeat the process till you find it. This method of searching is called binary search. So let's look at linear search. We have a method here, a function, that takes in an array. The array is going to be used to simulate the dictionary. And then we have a search term. So we're going to look into each element of the array and compare with the search term. And if we found it, then we return true. If not, we return false. That is it. Now let's test. Now we can call the function, and also let's call for let's search for a word that is not in the word array, and this should return true and this should be false. Okay, so true, false. Now let's look at binary search. So for binary search, the algorithm is different. Let's initialize two variables, the start and the end, to depict the beginning of the array and the end of the array. While start is less than end, we're going to find the middle point. We'll check if the word we're searching for is at the middle point. If it is not, we figure out if the word should be in the first half or the second half. If not, we're going to go ahead and return false. Actually, because this is JavaScript, I want this to always give me an index, whole number. So now we can test. Now, this is true and this is false. So why go through all this trouble to write all this algorithm when we can do this? So linear search is really slow. Binary search is way faster. This takes big O of n time complexity, and this takes big O of log n time complexity. This is why learning algorithms is very important, because choosing the right algorithm can significantly improve your application. I'm going to stop here. I hope you find this video useful and you learned something. If you do, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.